Hi, this is Kimi. So I want to share with you the number one question that I get all the time for years. Doesn't matter where I go, what I do, but I do get asked about it. And I think it's important that I share with you that, and I've decided I'm going to share these things with you every Thursday. So I get asked how I stay in shape. Like, I have a business which is super busy, and then I'm a mother, I have a small daughter, of course we're running around all the time, and yeah, there's not enough time to work out. That's what happens. But I think there's some mindset that I work with, just eating mindful and being very careful about the things I do, small changes that make a hell lot of a difference. So let me start sharing. Number one tip, drink a lot of water. But be careful, don't drink ice cold water. I've never had ice cold water, never, like it just didn't happen. And try to drink room temperature or lukewarm water. That helps the food get digested better, it just syncs with your body better, cleans your system better. And it's just that these are small things. And yeah, people say, oh, it's not tasty. Trust me, get your mind over matter, you will start loving it. I love it and you will too. Just be careful, drink a lot of water, not like 20 gallons, but drink enough, and lukewarm. Be warm.